Swivel movements, like for example, the very first swivel you worked on was the chasing the sun, where you did the low sweep and the high sweep. And when you started out with the movement, you started out with the T stance, where you're facing this way, and now you're facing this way. With a swivel, what you do is you move to a V stance, where you pivot more and rotate and lift a heel maybe, but it's mostly a V rather than going the full T side to side. And this is where your core muscles are so, oh wait, sorry, this direction, are so relevant because you're looking forward, but you're trying to get this full range of motion while you're doing it. Let's say overhand to underhand, we sweep. Now we come up into clockwise pinwheel. If you split the time and then you go big, what you can do is as you go big here and your left hand gets to the bottom, you can start to swivel into underhand. Right there. I'm here, I go big, right? So when my left hand is at the bottom here, as it comes up, I turn to go into the swivel. And I let the poi, if you look at it from the side, my left hand is here, it switches sides of the body as I swivel. So, pinwheel, swivel. And I let it switch and go to the